this is what happens.
But after $30,000, 6 different manufacturers, 15 failed samples. Whether we work together or not depends on this final version, the Cloud hoodie.
What up, dog?
We've already got people ripping off the hoodie.
No, we don't. What? You're fucking joking. I actually can't fucking believe that.
We're gonna be cooked.
Big day. How you feeling, Buzz? You sleep good?
We just shot our final story post before the launch. Today is drop day. Finished playing paddle.
Hey, welcome to the launch party, Buzz.
2 hours pre-drop. Future message to us. What's your highlight and your low light from this week? Highlight has gotta be like the content. Low light is the stress. Well, my highlight and low light are the same thing. It was the newness of this. We have no industry ties. We're doing this all ourselves. We are hand packing each order. We are hand writing the thank you cards. Yeah, you can see the whole globe. These are the people that are on the website right now. UK is just lit up. I'm gonna say an hour. I think in the 30 minutes before we go live. We're first order. Really? That's 2,300 visitors. Has it crashed? What's going on? This is 2 minutes. We're at 2 minutes. Blue's almost sold out. Blue sold out in 4 minutes. Damn, dog, how you feeling? Man, I didn't expect this. This guy was like, I don't know if we'll sell out. It's gone? It's all gone? All right, let the record show 8 minutes. All 8 minutes, everything sold out. That is crazy. Today's the day. We cleared out the entire living room. So we've got a huge empty space and we are gonna start packing all of the orders. Yeah. So we've put the living room in the kitchen and then the living room's empty. And then this is where all of the boxes have been stored. And they weigh like a freaking maybe 20, 30 each. Progress update. It's gonna be a long day.
We are 10 hours in.
But look how good that looks, man. We're about to play hella checkers out here.
This is probably not even a third.
Yeah, there's still a bajillion, like countless boxes off to the side.
This was the first time in a long time that our minds had enough space to sit and reflect about what just happened. We never expected to sell out, but as we were printing off orders, putting hoodies in bags, what filled our minds was the reality that we would now have to face. Public scrutiny. What would people think about the hoodies? Would they like it? What if we had messed up the orders, or if there's defects from the factory?
Alright, little update. It is 7:15. We've been at this about 6 hours, hey? It is now 8:30, and then we still gotta get all of these collected. Dylan ran off home, straight to bed for him. Day 1 over. I'll see you guys on day 2.
These were the thoughts that we couldn't shake as we handed off boxes filled with the hoodies to start their journey to people. And we wouldn't have to wait long to start receiving the feedback. And it was more shocking than we could have ever predicted.
Bro, your hoodie is so annoying, honestly. Everywhere I go, people talk about it and mention it and are like, wow, where did you get this hoodie from? It's really, really a good product.
I can already tell this is like the most comfortable hoodie. I didn't even wear it yet. I love it. It's the best hoodie I've ever owned.
Oh my god, this looks insane!
I really like that.
Oh, this is so unreal, man.
Yeah, I'll run this account now. Anyway, apparently there's some kind of asteroid coming towards the Earth.
I think this is probably the most comfortable hoodie I've ever worn.
This new hoodie has been going viral recently, and it is the Cloud Hoodie by Unlucky Cloud.
Is the Cloud hoodie. This is the greatest hoodie I own.
But it's super soft, super comfortable. This thing is A+ quality.
Like, you really did it.
I've not got a hoodie like this. I've never had a hoodie like this or seen a hoodie like this.
Are you trying to create the comfiest hoodie? I don't like buy into it when people say shit like that, but it is the comfiest hoodie I've ever had. I don't know what you've done. It's like it's cuddling you inside.
All right. What are we here to yap about today, huh? Well, I mean, the main thing is that we survived. We've never taken people's money before and exchanged it for value. But
how confident were you feeling?
When we were putting this video together and Elliot was showing me the draft, I saw that during launch, Elliot was like, I think we'll sell out in an hour. And I thought that is a misrepresentation of what he was thinking. The entire week, he was like, oh, I don't know if we're gonna sell out. And then you said, oh, we'll sell out in an hour. Bro, this guy didn't believe.
Well, it's such a scary thought to be like, if we fail, we're gonna fail publicly. And you almost like, you just imagine people waiting with bated breath to talk about your downfall.
We also set the expectation high.
Yeah.
Like we literally said, we are creating the world's comfiest hoodie. This isn't just like, guys, we made a hoodie.
But the thing is we have so much confidence in the product because we felt it. We have it on and we're like, this is it. But no one else has felt it at this point.
All things considered, it worked out well, but it wasn't perfect.
Yeah, so what came after?
Yeah. It's verging on scary, I would say. I didn't know the scammers were ruthless like this. It is insane. I think the scamming situation is probably something we need to address.
We've sold all of these hoodies. We go to like sort out all of the back end, like search results and stuff like that. We type in Unlucky Cloud into Google, and what comes up is multiple different pages of people that have replicated our website and our products, like with AI, and created tons of different websites. unluckycloud.online.it.gg, all of these different domains. And then we received an email from someone. They chose the wrong size and they would like to change it. The order number wasn't our order number. So when we looked into this further, we had found out that not just they had ordered from this scam website, but multiple different people.
And that really sucks because even though it's a scam website and it's got nothing to do with you, it really sucks to know that someone who likes our content, follows our content, would get scammed.
Yeah, but also these websites had the audacity to have the scam website, but then put our email as the customer service one. So
and they were using my video to promote it.
Yeah.
It's something that we're dealing with legally.
I blame Kaisana. He started all of this. He announced Vivette, and now with AI, they're just able to make so many. You take one down and 50 more pop up.
Yeah.
So,
point is just beware. You know,
unluckycloud.com only. Do not go anywhere else other than there. You will get scammed.
Then the second major thing that we ran into is tariffs. They said it was bad. I should have known. I'm in the news every single day, but boy!
In recent times, not only has this import duties and charges that they put on it gone up, but it's also increased to a lot of other regions as well. What's happened is we're shipping from the UK, and anybody who orders outside of the UK suddenly gets hit with this charge upon arrival. So let's say you order a hoodie from us, you won't know what the duties and tariffs are until it hits your doorstep, and the UPS guy is like, oh yeah, it's an extra $70 or whatever. And we had no idea that it would affect this many people. To that much is unbelievable.
I mean, that is something that we're also gonna figure out and solve in the next drop.
Oh, next drop. Is there another one?
I mean, we might as well.
There's another drop, okay?
Down. Shock, where, you know, drop 2 is coming, but there's some sneaky little surprises in there too.
Yeah, you'll get another shot.
And pretty soon as well.
Also, another thing that I did want to mention, kind of something that we knew this whole time, but we never mentioned it before. During the entire rollout, we have not just been working on the Cloud hoodie. We've also been working on multiple other products, which we're not going to announce, but
what we will say is that in both of our content, you're an avid viewer and you've been paying attention, you may have seen some of these products that we're looking to launch, or at least early samples of them.
Some I'm even more excited for than the hoodie. So
a lot of lessons that we've had to learn, but I think above all, what we are so happy with is the response from people and how they genuinely love this hoodie. Yeah. Everybody that got a hoodie, when we've asked them, they've been like, this is the most comfortable hoodie I've ever worn. Yep. And that's something like we have worked so hard on getting all of this stuff right.
And it's also nice to see how much support that it got as well. You know, you're not just buying an item of clothing, you're investing in a dream, a vision, years of work, you know.
And I guess above all, again, to kind of piggyback off of the support thing, everybody who made an order or tried to make an order or interacted with the content in any way, it genuinely means the world to us. We got so many messages from some of you guys, so huge thank you to everybody that in any little way helped us out with the launch.
Well, I mean, wrap us up, buddy. Take us away.
All right. Keep your eyes open, because sometimes okay, wait. We'll see you in the summer.
Yeah. Whoa, in the summer. Damn.